up, YouTube? Listen, family, I got a jam-packed video for you guys, so please keep it locked. Please make sure to like, subscribe, help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Check it out, guys. It's all about Palantir today. Do me a favor before we jump into it. Let me know if you have shares of Palantir. How many shares do you have? What's your average cost? Okay, check it out today, guys. We are going to unpack Palantir. I want to give you some guidance, but I first want to go over this play. Check this out, guys. It's currently sitting at $37.11. The ticker symbol on this one is PLTR. Okay, on the week, this one was up 3.83%. Another solid week. We banked again. Okay, guys, if you are new, we had this since $20. If you've been with me for a minute, we had this since $8.69. Okay, I have changed many lives with this particular play. We're going to continue to do the same, but that's why I got to talk to you about today's video. Okay, on the month, this is up 14%. You won't get that in the bank on your money, guys. That's why when I call out levels, you need to be investing at those lower levels, knowing that I'm anticipating some type of run up, whether it's 10%, 14%, 20%, 50%, 100%. Okay, now mind you, 14% in the stock price is 100% in options price. So we have doubled our money several times in this particular play. Okay, on the 3-month basis, this is up 50%. Okay, and that's $12.40. Year to date, this one is over 100%. That means, like I've been telling you guys, you have doubled your money. Okay, around here, if you are new, the $16 to $18 range was one of our entry points. Our high was 20. That's why I keep saying, if you've been in it since 20, you know what I'm saying, you've been in it up to this point. Okay, but the $16 to $18 range was where we tried to make our money. Previous to that was $8 to the $12 range. Okay, and that's how we have doubled our money several times over. But that's what today's video is about, guys. Okay, that's what I want to talk to you guys about. Let's check out this 1 year, 158%. This is why you gotta listen to Coach. When I call out these plays and I tell you a stock is going double, now that don't mean it's going double for the rest of its career. It can start a downtrend in one of these years. Okay, so like for instance, when we got it at $8.69, it went all the way to $60. It still ain't made it back to $60 yet. Does that make sense? Now it came back down to $12. Now it's back up near $40. Okay, it's a double up from 12 to 24. It's a double up from 18 to 36. It's a double up from 16 to 32. Okay, 5-year basis, guys, this is up 271%. This is Coach back here. When I tell you guys about 889, 869, that was back here. Okay, that's how busy Coach been getting in this for a long time. Okay, guys, and so think about these $8 levels that I'm telling you about. Okay, but it was more back here, not the 2022 one. But anyway, guys, today's video is about classes in session. Okay, classes in session. Today's video is about you guys understanding, write this down, rinse and repeat. When you find a quality company, I want you guys to embrace rinsing and repeating. What is rinsing and repeat, Coach? Let's unpack that. Let's break this down. Okay, one thing that has helped me on my investment journey, guys, is I buy quality companies. I do the research, I do the fundamental breakdown, I do the fundamental analysis, and I buy them low. This stock would be an example. $8.69. I bought this low. It went all the way to $60. Okay, it came back down. I rinsed and repeated. Okay, now it's from $8. Now it's to $37. Does that make sense? You are going to have a rinse and repeatable moment again. Okay, so at some point you need to be looking at locking in some profit. You need to be anticipating this won't stay at $40 range for forever. It's going to come back down to say 20, or let's say 18, and then it's going to do this whole process again But that's how you can get rich, guys. Write this down. When you find a quality company, this is a quality company. Now, this is a growth company too. So they got room to the upside, but then on down periods, they're going to be a lot more volatile. But I'm talking about to the upside. When you get them low, the upside is going to change your life. It's going to double. Look at this. It's going to do stuff like 118%. 158%. You're going to get this time and time again, but your job is to lock in some profit when you hit your target. So say you got this at 18 and now it's at 37. If you locked in profit, okay, you can trail it up a little higher if you want to, but if you locked in profit, you need to be saying, okay, we got the rate cut, a potential recession looming, the market is going to come down. Coach already told me the quality plays to look out for: Nvidia, Palantir. You got all these names to choose from: Microsoft, Meta, Amazon. Okay, don't get caught up in the game. These plays are money, but it don't matter if you buy them at the wrong price. Okay, so this is going to come back down. After you lock in profit from this go round, you already have doubled your money. If you've been with me in this, you already doubled your money. I don't need to hear nothing about the 100K challenge. I already know you doubled your money. Now, what you guys are going to learn when you do the 100K challenge with me for this 2025 year, you might say, I should have bought more shares. Or if you do options on these same plays, I should have bought more contracts, because now you're going to get it the more you stick around and you follow the process, okay? But with that being said, guys, this is going to come back down, and guess what? Coach wants you to rinse and repeat. Of course, I'm going to come on here and tell you when I'm buying, okay? Now, I'm going to be doing shares. I'm going to invest in the company, and I'm going to buy calls. Does that make, just like I did for this go round, okay? I'm going to buy shares. I'm going to buy 1,000 shares. I don't care about what the price is. I'll just build it out. Dollar cost average, so I get 1,000 shares. This is what the rinse and repeat looks like. I already got this now, okay? 1,000 shares minimum. And then I'm going to buy calls to expedite the growth when it goes up. Let me know if that makes sense. Now listen to this. You can also hedge if you know what you're doing and you know, all right, man, we starting a downtrend. This going to eventually come back down to $22. Okay, well, you can ride that down and make some money like that too, but you have to keep the main thing the main thing. The market is a vehicle that ultimately wants to go up, and I want you guys to be in this for the periods that it goes up. Okay, that's what I'm really focused on. So that's why the word is rinse and repeat. Okay, that's what you write down for me. Okay, the word is buy shares. You always got to get your first 125 shares. That's goal number one. Goal number two is to get up to 1,000 shares, because that allows you to see when I put you in these plays over the course of our time together on the 100K challenge, you're going to see like, oh my God, I had one investment make me 30K. I had one investment double. I turned 10K into 20. You will see it, because it'll be by the law of large numbers. You having more shares, you having more position size, okay? And so this will be a play that I want you to write down as a rinse and repeat play. This will be one that on a down year, don't you let nobody scare you. Don't let nobody talk crazy to you about Palantir. When this have a year that's like 2022, look at this. Look at 2022 right here. When they come back and do this, it might not come back to 6, guys, okay? But when it has a down year, so you have up years, look at this right here. You have $35 in 2021, and then you have $6 in 2022. You have $37 in 2024, and then you're going to have one of those down years. When it hits one of those down years, remember this message right here, okay? Coach told me I can change my life. It could be Palantir, it could be Amazon, it could be Meta. Whenever you see it, let that be your cue. I'm about to change my life, okay? But in the meantime, you follow these week-to-week levels that we give and that we talk about. Listen, guys, I just wanted to cover Palantir with you all. This play, if you rock with me on this channel, okay, we're going to continue to make money with it. But I'm talking about even a bigger picture perspective of what I want you guys to be looking for next time this has this moment in the valley, I want you to be looking for that as your opportunity to get it lower and ultimately change your life. Trusting the process, trusting that the market go up over time, okay? With that being said, guys, listen, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stocks using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.